Welcome to Basic Concept Classes Quiz of the Day 24th July 2024. Now let us check our memory level based on today's current affairs uploaded in the channel. Current Affairs Quiz number 7. Question number 1. What is the rank of India in annual increase of forest area cover for the period 2010 to 2020 according to the State of the World's Forest Report 2024 data recently released by FAO? Option A, first, B, second, C, third, D, fourth. Correct answer is option C, third. Question number 2. Which of the following AI model has won the Miss AI 2024 award in the world's first artificial intelligence beauty pageant launched by the World AI Creator Awards WAICA? Option A, Zara Satabari of India, B, Kenja Laeli of Morocco, C, Olivia C of Portugal, D, Lalina of France. Correct answer is Kenja Laeli of Morocco, option B. Question number 3. What is the time period of Shiksha Saptaha, Education Week, that has been observed throughout India to celebrate the 4th anniversary of the National Education Policy NEP 2020? Option A, July 22 to July 28, B, July 25 to July 31, C, July 1 to July 7, D, July 16 to July 22. Correct answer is July 22 to July 28, option A. Question number 4. Which tennis player of India with his French partner won the Swiss Open Gstaad 2024 men's doubles title held in Gstaad City, Switzerland in the month of July 2024? Option A, Rohan Bopanna, B, Sumit Nagal, C, Leander Paes, D, Yuki Bhamri. Correct answer is Yuki Bhamri, option D. Question number 5. In which of the following state of India the National Landslide Forecasting Center NLFC has been set up by the Union Government to enhance disaster preparedness? Option A, West Bengal, B, Tamil Nadu, C, Uttarakhand, D, Maharashtra. Correct answer is West Bengal, option A. Now correct answer of homework question asked in previous session quiz number 6. Question was, food inflation based on the consumer food price index has been increased to what percentage during the financial year 23-24 as per the recent economy survey report 23-24 of India released in July 2024? Correct answer is 7.5%. Now, homework question of the day. Please give the answer in the comment box. Question: what is the name of AI model of India who participated in Miss AI beauty pageant organized by the World AI Creator Awards WAICA recently held in virtual mode? Thank you and have a nice day. Click on the like button to encourage us if you feel it is helpful to you. Do subscribe now to our channel Basic Concept Classes for more such interesting updates and notification. This YouTube channel is completely free for students. Practice GK Current Affairs with Murari sir. Thank you.